We often think of wine tasting as an outdoor experience where you visit a winery or a vineyard and sample different wines. But did you know that you can also host your own wine tasting party at home? In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a memorable wine tasting experience in the comfort of your own space. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, KTE, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're diving into how to host a wine tasting party at home. This is a fantastic way to explore a variety of wines with your friends in a cozy setting. Let's get started. First things first, picking a date. When planning your wine tasting party, start by choosing a date that works well for everyone. Weekends are often ideal as they allow your guests to unwind and enjoy the experience without the stress of a weekday. Ensure the date fits your schedule and give guests ample notice, either through email or traditional invitations, and ask for RSVPs to confirm attendance. Second on your list, the number of guests. Aim for a guest list of around 8 to 12 people. This size fosters a warm and interactive atmosphere, allowing everyone to enjoy a variety of wines without feeling overcrowded. Choose guests who will appreciate the experience and mingle well with each other for a more enjoyable event. Third on the list, picking a creative theme. Choosing a theme can add excitement to your wine tasting. You could explore wines from a specific region like Italy or California, or select wines that pair well with certain foods, such as cheese or charcuterie. Another engaging option is Old World versus New World, which encourages conversations about different wine profiles. A theme elevates the ambiance and makes the event more memorable. Fourth, selecting your wines. With a theme in mind, aim for a selection of 4 to 6 bottles, balancing variety and manageability. Include a mix of reds, whites, and perhaps a rosé to cater to different tastes. Typically, each bottle offers about 12 tasting portions, so you'll have plenty to go around. For recommendations, visit a local wine shop and consider preparing scorecards to engage your guests in the tasting experience. Fifth, gathering essentials like glassware and tools. Select the appropriate glassware to enhance the experience. Red wines benefit from wide bowls for aeration, white wines are best in narrower glasses, and sparkling wines shine in flutes. Provided at least 2 or 3 glasses per person for comparisons. Renting extra glasses might be necessary. Additionally, ensure you have a reliable wine opener, spittoons, and scorecards for guests to jot down notes. 6. Planning the serving order. The order in which you serve the wines can impact the tasting. Start with lighter wines like sparkling or white, then move to rosé, and finish with full-bodied reds. This order allows the subtle flavors to stand out before moving to bolder wines. The serving size of 2 ounces per sample is ideal for multiple tastings without overwhelming your guests. 7. Setting the mood. Create a welcoming atmosphere with soft lighting, perhaps some candles and gentle background music. Having wine glasses, corkscrews, and water for rinsing or sipping ready will ensure a smooth flow. Encourage guests to observe, smell, and taste each wine using scorecards to capture their impressions and foster lively discussions. 8. Engaging your guests in wine education. Share insights about each wine, including its history, grape variety, and tasting notes. A blind tasting can add an element of surprise, allowing guests to guess the wines without labels. Offer tasting notes or brief talks for a deeper understanding, and facilitate discussions about favorite regions or memorable flavors. 9. Preparing food pairings and palate cleansers. Enhance the tasting with food pairings that complement the wines. A charcuterie board with cheeses, meats, and fruits works well. Light palate cleansers like water crackers or simple salads help reset the palate between wines. Offering citrus-infused water is another refreshing option. 10th, wrapping up with a smooth cleanup and gathering feedback. As the evening ends, clean wine glasses with warm water and a gentle detergent. Gather guest impressions through informal conversations or a brief survey, noting their feedback for future events. Use their insights to refine your next gathering. Finally, keeping the wine adventure going. Continue exploring wines after the party. Dive into wine reviews, consider joining a wine club, or attend winery events to deepen your appreciation and knowledge. With each experience, your wine tasting skills and palate will only grow. As you plan future wine tasting parties, consider different themes or wine varieties to keep things fresh. Encourage your guests to suggest wines for your next gathering. This not only adds variety, but also engages their interests and preferences. Stay curious and open to new wine experiences as part of your ongoing journey in the world of wine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.